even see his face anymore. I need another one, babe. I gotta find another one. Another spider at work to kill. This one was the biggest one I've seen so far, but I need to find a bigger one. They better find me when I find one. Its leg is it all got decrepit or something. But that's a real spider that I found at work. What's wrong?